Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Well, hello, welcome everyone to Trading YouTube. It's your boy Collapse, and I'll be discussing the charts. So today's NFP day, right? Let's check the charts. All right, so the news comes out in 5 minutes. So I'll be sharing this, explaining this trade that I'm in right now. It's a Euro USD sell, and my prediction for NFP is this. Well, I might be completely off, but according to my analysis, this is what I think should happen when the news release. So USD, we're gonna have positive impact. So any pairs such as JPUSD, Euro USD are gonna go for sales, and any pair such as USD CAD, USD CHF, USD JPY, we're gonna see buys. So this is what I'm thinking right now, and I'll explain it to you the why right after the news release. Okay. Good evening, Jim. Hello, Pijos. Man, good to see you here every day. Thanks a lot. Hello, Ramiz. तो बताओ भाई क्या लग रहा है तुम लोगों को? What's your view on NFP? Same thing for gold, okay? Gold's just like flying the whole week to the upside. And I'm expecting some sales on gold. Expecting sales on Euro USD. People who have been following me for the past few weeks already know why I'm looking for sales here. But still, I'll go over it after the news, okay? Expecting the same on GBP USD and buys for USD CHF and blah blah. Okay, so news in 2 minutes. Okay, we're already seeing some signs here. This is target 1, this is target 2. So this is a 1:3 hour trade, and I'm taking this on one of my funded accounts. So it's been a while since I traded, and let's see. So this is a live trade. I think it's still, yes, the same here. Let's hope for the best. And you might ask me why this is the entry. You can already see there's engulfing candle number 1, engulfing candle number 2. This is the 1 hour, and I take all my entries on 1 hour or the 15 minutes. So let's wait. All right, news in 1 minute. Also, guys, like if you're trading this kind of news, just have a lot less risk, like 0.3, 0.25. Fuck. Okay, we lost the trade. Man, 1 second. I'll be so pissed if this like comes down, makes a week. Okay, JBUSD also went up, gold also went up. Please don't reverse from here now. All right, so let me give you my analysis why I thought it's going to be sales. So the past week I gave you this trade, yes, if you remember, last Friday. I told you that we'd be having more buys till this previous day high, and I drew these arrows for you. So this is the first entry, and this is the second entry, yes. And I told you that if you will get an engulfing candle like this in here, then you can get in, or you can get in at these entries. So price did exactly as we discussed. This is the Friday, Monday, then Friday after the stream, it went up just from these areas. The stop loss was here, and it was a 1:2 hour trade. Okay, so the major liquidity was out, and then on Monday we again had the sweep of this previous week, and again yesterday we had the sweep of this high, which is the Monday high. That is why I was thinking of sales, because the whole week it was just, if you will see this momentum to the upside, it's very slow. Yes, so it's very slow, and when there are moves like this, I'm not really confident into going to that direction. So second thing, on the daily time frame, we had this bearish engulfing, we had the sweep of this Monday high, and another bearish engulfing. Yes, this one. Yeah. Again, on the 4 hour, we had this bearish engulfing after the sweep of the Monday high. That is why I was trying to aim for this 4 hour unmitigated low and this 4 hour unmitigated low and this daily candle bearish engulfing candle low. But yeah, it's fine. So that was the whole reason for this trade. So this will be a loss of 0.5 hour. Gold, not really flying, but yeah, 40, 50 pips, 40, 50 points, sorry. At this point, I'm not even sure what's gold doing, because these two candles are just so unlikely. Like this Wednesday candle, you might have already seen that the whole world is shocked. But yeah, that's how gold works, and that is why I stay very far away from it when I can. And even at this point, who would like think that there would be another buy from here, since it's already overbought, even on the 15 minutes. Yes. So at this point, gold is really untradeable. UK pork pomer. I even have same plans on gold. I just lost only $7. No, that's fine, bro. Losing is fine. Lose, like, if you were a good trader, you'd be like one of the best losers, because you'd be losing less when you lose, and if you're winning, you should be winning big. So that's the whole point of trading. Losing will be a part of this whole game. All right. Also, let me tell you why we had this stop loss. Okay. So this is the engulfing candle number one, engulfing candle number two. So there was no point like going beyond this engulfing candles. No point in extending the stop loss to here. It's no point because this is the Monday high and the liquidity is already been taken. So there is no point of price going up here if it has to go down. Okay. DXY falling, yes. Yep. Now this is the most important part. Okay. You planned the trade, you lost the trade. Now you're seeing huge movements in the market. And now if you would like get into trades, you would be that's how like people blow accounts, not just of the single trade. All right, you would have your stop loss and everything, but now's the time where people mess up really bad. Now if you'd be having some thoughts of like going for buys or let's we can sell from here, so never have this kind of thoughts after an unplanned trade is the worst trade that you can take. I think it's yeah. A lot of us like thought it would be sell due to this whole slow buying. And also for NFP you can also backtest this because I've been backtesting this for a while. And NFP most of the times it's just uh, going to the reverse direction of the whole weekly move. Like you can if you can see like the whole week price has been moving up. One second. Okay, so you can see the whole week price was moving up. And by the way, this is also the Monday low. Okay, so yeah, that's the whole point of trading. You cannot buy somewhere where it's already overbought, especially for gold. You won't be buying here if you're trading news since it's so overbought. All right, so at this point, there's no more trades for like until Tuesday, because even Monday it would be very sloppy, because after a big move like this there's either retracement or there's consolidation and you don't want to be participating on that. 5 minute closed above, yeah, it's strong buys. All right, it's fine. So what's next? So this is the next target for Euro USD. I think I've already marked, yeah. This is the next target for Euro USD. This order block. For gold, I think it can move up to 44.40, which is this side. Yeah. It can reach this high and then we can like plan some trades to the downside. Let me see one thing. Okay, GBUSD, there's one major liquidity here, which is the unmitigated high on the daily. So based on this, we can still have more buys for the next week. Like this will continue. Yeah, this will continue. USD would be moving down to these levels, and Euro USD we can target this order block. Also, there are these highs as well. GBP USD will be aiming this high, and gold will be going for 44.30. So for the next week, this is what I'm planning. This are the targets for Euro USD, and this is the target for GBP USD. Moving up, moving up. All right, do you have any questions? Yeah, eventually we'll get these lows. These are left unmitigated. Yeah. Wow, NFP is like super negative. No point of watching the charts now, to be honest. Because after such a huge move, it either just goes for another consolidation. And even on NYC Open, maybe you would see a bit of retracement to the downside. But no point of trading them. All right, if you guys do not have any questions, then we can end the stream here. So this is my plan for next week. Gold 44.30, Euro USD. This, let me show you on the daily time frame. This highs, this one, this one. GBP USD would be this high, and USD CHF would be going for this low first and then this lows. Okay. And if I see any trades after NYC open, although I won't let trade today, but if I do find any trades, I'll be sharing it on my Telegram. All right. So thank you guys for joining. Um, this wasn't actually expected, but it's the part of the whole game. You will have bad days, you will have good days. Not a bad day. Obviously, you shouldn't be risking any more than 0.5, 0.3% in these kind of trades because there's slippages and spreads and whatnot. So yeah, we'll recover on the next week trades. Thank you, everyone.